making Firehouse Lasagna. So we're grating a carrot for sugar. That gives sweetness, as does the onion. Celery with the leafy tops. So we're gonna start our meat sauce with that.
Bumping into each other here.
Garlic. I pre-peel tons and tons of garlic because we put it in everything, right? Now for the spice blend, everybody can order it online if they want. But if you have a lot of spices at home, it's such a great use up. Then scrape up everything on the counter. Boop! Ground fennel, fennel seed, fennel pollen, any of the above. Pimenton to make it smoky because it's Firehouse inspired. Oregano, okay? And crushed red pepper if you're making meat sauce. If you want to turn this dish into chili, chili powder. If you want to turn this same recipe into chili, add kidney beans or black beans or pinto beans. And you don't even need to do the carrot, celery, and onion. Just do onions and chili peppers or sweet peppers or a mix of the two and garlic, period. Back here, in smaller amounts, I do sage, smoky cumin, a little grated nutmeg and or allspice, and some thyme. So you can mix all these dried spices, and you'll see the recipe online. You can mix them all yourself, and that's what's in here. So once the carrot, celery, and onions start to sweat, we add the meat to the pan, a little salt and pepper over the shoulder for luck, and let the color come off the meat. You're not trying to brown it, you're just trying to get the color off. I have a fresh bay leaf in there, you could use dry, and we'll let that cook for a few minutes. So now we're going to add our Firehouse spice blend. We're gonna put in the equivalent of a fat palmful. Okay, so one whole batch is about 1/3 of a bottle, just so you know. And we're gonna stir that to bring out the aroma. Now we're gonna let this cook with a little tomato passata. This is just pureed tomatoes, so you can use tomato sauce. Passata, which is just fresh tomatoes that are pureed. And I put some in the bottom of the pan. Look in the bottom of the pan. The bottom of our lasagna pan, we put just plain tomato puree. So now we're gonna add the rest of the bottle to our sauce, along with fire roasted tomatoes, because it's firefighters, so we want it a little bit smoky. 15 ounces of fire roasted tomato, and a splash of red or white wine. Just a splash, a little drizzle around the pan. And now we're gonna let this just thicken up a hair, and then we'll build the lasagna with our spinach. Okay, 3 cups of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of grated Parm cheese, 2 eggs. This is our cheese and spinach layer. 1 16-ounce bag of spinach, guys, defrosted from our freezer. Greatest bargain in the grocery store. Yum, yum, yum. Wrung it out in a clean kitchen towel. We add a little grated nutmeg, salt and pepper or white pepper. So now we're gonna build the lasagna. Again, this meat sauce is delicious by itself, just in a bowl of pasta, period. You wanna turn it into chili, add chili powder to it of any heat level, chili powder blend, chipotle to make it extra smoky, extra spicy. Add in some beans and you have chili. This is just flat lasagna. You can make flat or curly, okay? Who cares? I parboil it for 4 minutes. Now we're going to put in a layer of meat. And then what do you think comes next, John?
Maybe more pasta?
More pasta. And then our spinach and egg and ricotta.
You gotta be kidding me!
Yeah.
And then more pasta. And then more of that stuff.
It's gonna be 3 layers, guys. Okay, now we've got the lasagna assembled. And now we're gonna top it with smoked mozzarella. Pepper jack.
Oh, that's right.
Because it's Firehouse. 375 covered. 40 minutes, then uncovered till it turned brown. Now we gotta let it stand a couple of minutes.